This children's storybook has generated over $71,500 in passive income. This is Leonardo's AI art generator. It's absolutely free with 150 images a day. It can generate whatever you can imagine. We have the high-quality artwork with Leonardo.ai worked out. Now we need to develop a story. We need a concept, a title, and storyline. We will also include chapters and high-quality, non-copyrighted images. If you're interested in making passive income with AI, please stay until the end. Now for the story. Let's use ChatGPT. It is 100% free for now. I need 8 chapter ideas for a 10-year-old boy that gets lost in the woods. Simply type that into ChatGPT and it generates a story. Here's the story. It shocks me how AI is taking off. I think about ideas at night all the time. Take the story from chapter 1 and paste into Leonardo. Open up Google, type in Leonardo.ai. Next, click on Launch App. Then press Yes, I'm whitelisted. Next, scroll down to AI Image Generation and press it. The dialog box has what I already pasted in earlier. Press Generate. This can take up to 10 seconds. The picture generating, even with a free account, is copyright free. There, it's done. We have our picture. Let's zoom in and look. Upscaling takes 5 credits of your 150 daily credits. We will compare the original image to the upscaled image. The upscaled image seemed to improve the hair but damaged his nose. I had to render about 70 pictures for the 8 used. The storyline took about 5 minutes only in ChatGPT. In Leonardo, about an hour and a half, but still had enough daily credits. A link to the full children's story will be at the end of this video. This author, Coco Wyo, an Amazon seller of children's coloring books, is really killing it. This coloring book alone making over $1,000 in sales a day. This one $700 a day. This one $650 a day plus royalties. Overall, with all his listings, he's making $125,000 a month on his coloring books. If you decide to use ChatGPT for the story, it's very important that you don't just copy, paste, and think you're finished. There's a huge hype on YouTube to use ChatGPT to write books and publish them to Amazon without much thought. Should I use AI to generate KDP content? Amazon has the ability to detect AI-generated content. Just like YouTube does, so does Amazon. You can post AI-generated content to Amazon. Sure, but it will detect the AI content and suppress your listings. What can you do? I will tell you. Take your text generated with GPT and run it in an AI detector. I'm doing a live example of Elon Musk, having GPT type up 500 words, and we'll run that through ZeroGPT. ZeroGPT is free, and I will list it in the channel description. ZeroGPT's algorithm with an accuracy rate of text detection higher than 98%. Seems the entire page is highlighted yellow. We will copy and paste this into Quillbot, AI-powered paraphrasing tool. Quillbot integrates directly into Chrome and Microsoft Word. Now you don't have to switch windows every time you want to rephrase a sentence, paragraph, or article. In the free version of Quillbot, you can only paste up to 125 words unless you have a premium account costing $8.95 a month. We will take the paraphrased text generated from Quillbot and paste into ZeroGPT. Become a prompt engineer without any need of degrees or even knowledge of computer programming. A prompt engineer specializes in developing, refining, and optimizing AI-generated text prompts to ensure they are accurate, engaging, and relevant for various applications. If you use Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, this site PromptBase encourages sellers to list their prompts. PromptBase is an early marketplace for DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and GPT prompts. Sell your prompts on PromptBase and earn from your prompt crafting skills. Upload your prompt, connect with Stripe, and become a seller in just 2 minutes. The seller here made $7,700 from his prompts. This food advertising seller has made $7,500 from prompts. Anthony here has made $17,157 from selling only prompts. Here's the deal. You don't need to rebuild the wheel. Take existing parts already created and add to them. Modify them. This clay emojis prompt making $2,162. Here's my clay emojis prompt of a hamburger and fries I made in Leonardo today. Study prompt base and see what's selling great and see what they don't have. Combine prompts and modify them. Be unique. If you would like to learn more about prompts, links are in the description. Side Hustle 3 and 4 will be in next week's video due to meeting YouTube's algorithm for posting once per week. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more. Be brave to stand for what you believe in even if you stand alone.